Okay guys, now let's move on to the new part, the last one of this series, and is the importing of the motion inside the scene. But before doing that, I've seen that there is a problem, because maybe the mapping of the markers onto this foot is not correct. So let me see something first. Actor. Okay, let's check. Dummy. Okay, first of all, for the ankle I linked up also the point 001, that is the root of the scene. So let's remove this. Just select the point and then press Command delete from the keyboard, but there are still some problems. Maybe because I choose to use 2 vertex instead of 1, and in the other foot there is no such problem. So let me see better. Okay, I want to keep just this but not this. Okay, this is the vertex number 6680. So from here remove this, delete. Let's see, better but not perfect. So from here, X-rays, let's see which one is better. I believe this is okay, and the other one 6728 is this one. Okay, keep this and remove this, and let's see how it works now. Normal, and then okay, better, not perfect, but I think much better than before. Let me see. X-rays. Okay, so anyway, let's move on to the import of the new motion. We have the actor and we have Mia in the scene. Okay, the easy way is to add the path of the folder of in which the motion is contained. I already did it in my motion here, but to add a folder here you have just to right click inside these windows and then add a favorite path, and then you can find the path here in your hard drive and add in these windows. Okay, so what I have to do now, just zoom on top of one of any point and then drag, click and drag the file here onto any one of these until okay, and then you say FBX replace animation, then go to options, and then you will end up in these windows. So just import motion FBX, okay, that is the file that we are selected, and then with the merge option just remove everything from here, then click import, and then as you can see now the scene length is no more 569 frame but just 209 frame. That is the length of this animation, and now you can see the character has changed his movement. So now maybe you are wondering why Mia has this leg so bended instead of keeping the original motion. It's because Mia has the floor contact activated inside his rig. So just to show you, pick Mia and then move her up, and you see it's because in the original video where I captured this motion, the character, the actor that was performing, was making a jump, so it's supposed not to have contact with the floor, but because of the fact that the hip doesn't follow the movement of the character, is stick in place, we don't have the vertical shifting of the actor, and then we are having some issue for the character onto we are retargeting the motion. But as you can see, the motion has been correctly imported. I hope you enjoy this series. Maybe I'll teach you how to correct the problem to move the character along the scene. But here you have Story, that is a non-linear animation editor. You have just to import the animation here, and you have to create some layers inside the base animation to shift the character, fixing the relative position to the entire world. So this will cause that the fixed point starting from this position, you can fix the point here, so the relative animation will not be calculated from the hip point but with the feet, and you can do it inside here. It's quite a long process, but maybe I show you how to do it in a different video. But for now I want just to publish the code, and maybe you can use it and enjoy it. Have a good day. Bye.